Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Twitter something went wrong. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in X or Twitter and then hit on search. And once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over and open up your settings app, and once you're inside settings, tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down and then locate X or Twitter app and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, all you gotta do is tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be the cause of your issue. So once that process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again. And that's basically how to fix Twitter something went wrong. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.